Hello again, I am back, and once again, here is my back zipping up a dress. All of these videos start with me zipping up an outfit or a dress because that's the first thing I do when I get dressed. So today I am wearing this Galaxy romper by Hell Bunny. It feels like pajamas. It's got these little ties. It's a little bit big. I got a small, but I maybe should have gotten an extra small, but it's still really comfy. This ring, I think I got this from Sea Candy. Everything that I'm wearing, as you guys know, is always credited in the description below. Woo, let's change the view a little bit. This belt is by Bleak and Sleek. I love this thing. Again, I kind of wish I had have gotten it maybe one size smaller. The good thing is that it is adjustable on both sides. So the only thing that makes it a little funny is that the center overlaps a little bit weird. But I still think it's cute. You can actually wear it either way. So you can wear it with the straps in the front or the loops in the front. I just am today wearing it with the straps in the front because I'm the boss of me and I do what I want. Never mind my workout shoes in the background. I forgot to move them. These earrings, people always ask me where I got these. I have no idea. I don't remember. They are huge. I probably got them in a random mall store. I've had them for decades. The best thing about these, though, is they're really big and they look like they're a heavy kind of metal. I think they're maybe aluminum. They're so lightweight. If you can see my earlobes, they don't pull at all. And that's why I love them, because they're humongous. They're not heavy. And these, oh my god, I love these shoes. These are my Alexander McQueens. They are actually very comfortable for how high they are. Kind of hard to put on carpet though. I'm a little wobbly, like a little wobbly calf trying to get these suckers on. But I love them because they have studs on the backs of them and the leather is really, really soft. I would think that these are probably real leather and not fake. But I like to wear these with these little baggy pants. I don't know. I think it's kind of cute. So here is my full outfit. Obviously, if you wear a romper like this and you want to be more comfy, don't wear sky-high heels, but I just kind of wanted to dress this up a little bit. I'm doing more fancy outfits for you guys, but if you want to see more casual, everyday looks, please let me know if you prefer the casual or the fancy, or maybe a mix of both. I feel like when I make these, I really like to dress up, so I don't know. Depends on what you guys want to see. So until next time, see y'all later.